Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back. Let's just start off this video by saying sorry because this video was supposed to be us. Really? That loud? Anyways, this video was supposed to be us installing the engine, you know, dropping it in, doing all that, doing the harness and everything, but things happen. I lost most of that footage. It's all gone. There's nothing I can do about it. I apologize, you guys. I know you guys wanted to see that, but there's nothing I can do but move on. Let's continue. But like I said, we dropped the engine in, and sadly you can't see, but I'm going to tell you guys exactly what we did just so you can be updated. Alright guys, so like I said, we dropped in the engine. It's all on there. For the engine mounts, we went ahead and just did one spacer because we did two at first and it was a little bit too high. Everything is plugged in. The whole harness, we ran it under the intake manifold just to give it a cleaner look. We did go ahead and run all the fuel lines, all the oil lines. Everything is good. We went ahead and threw on the radiator and ran some coolant through it. The battery is not going to stay there. It'll be relocated to the back. That was just temporary. Same thing with the ignition coil. I'm going to relocate that maybe somewhere down there. We got to do the intercooler piping next. Finally got the chase base kit. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on too, show you guys that. But there's some wiring issues with the ignition, so Sean's gonna go ahead and take care of that for us. And just a little update. Sorry guys, you couldn't see us dropping it in. And there was actually a pretty funny clip where I accidentally dropped the engine a little too quick, and Chris almost fell into the bay, and I kind of dinged this up when that happened. You see I scratched the paint and dented it. So that was pretty funny, but sadly you guys couldn't see. It was a pretty funny moment. But why cry about it? Let's just move forward and let's see if this thing starts, you guys. Alright guys, so it's time. The tranny's on. The engine's all hoisted up. It's time to put it in there. Finally, we can't wait. Let's get started.
Enough oil.
Just primed it. It's all primed. Now I gotta prime with the gas. Yeah, and then we're gonna try to start it. You got a what was that in your hand? What's that in your hand?
It's condom?
Bro, is that a silicone condom?
What the fuck? Where'd it go?
Hey bro.
What the fuck?
Come on, I can't reach.
Oh hell no.
And he was trying to hide it.
He got a condom. What you trying to do with that, bro? Huh? After the video, you want to go? Alright. Ready to do the first startup. Got the plugs in. Everything's in. Give it a shot.
Think it'll start?
I hope. Watch it leak and shit.
Bitch, why would you say that?
I don't know. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I'll be back.
Oh, he probably forgot to plug something. What are you doing, bro? Looking for a condom?
Maybe.
Hey.
Hey, he's bent over. We'll go take advantage.
Yeah.
Single ladies hit up Chris. He's got condoms ready.
Since I have to wire up your ignition for you, sir, I dedicate this video to Thomas.
To Thomas? Why Thomas?
He needs to hit the fuck up with this car. This is Sean built right here.
Ooh, that's not true. Did you
we all got part of this.
This is the first time you're ever in a video, and you built this? Yet I'm in all the videos building it?
Bruh, you never recorded me.
Yeah, I kind of just chopped him and took all the credit.
That's fucked up.
That is fucked up.
So it's supposed to be JCS.
But he's on the main video. Look, the startup.
The JCS. Bro.
Hey, I'm here for electrical, right?
That is. He is the wiring specialist.
You ready?
Go for it.
Roll number 2.
Damn.
I guess Sean don't know how to wire up a 240.
I guess not. Yeah, he's done like his 1,000 times because he keeps blowing them.
I heard something burn.
That was my photo. starts the second time. Go for it.
Just make sure we had enough oil.
Yeah, go for it. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. Those clips were the clips that I managed to save from us installing the engine and trying to get it started and everything. The main video that got lost was basically the engine actually going inside and then connecting everything. But there you guys have it. I'll try my best to make sure this doesn't happen again. Up next, you guys are going to see me install the chase base power steering kit and the intercooler. So thank you guys so much for watching. Help us reach our first 100 subscribers, you guys. We're halfway there, and from there it's just gonna get bigger and bigger, and we're gonna do bigger and better things for you guys, so you guys can all see. Share, comment, like. You guys know what to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time.